Hello guys. In this video, we will explain how to activate developer options in LG phones. It is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before broadcasting. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. After that, look for the general settings and click on them. Then go down here. You will find the developer options. If you do not find the developer options activated, we will explain how to show and activate them. First, I will turn off the developer options. Enter the developer options, then click on play and turn off the playback. It will now disappear from the phone, as you can see now. Now, my friend, to activate the developer options in LG phones, all you have to do is click on About the Phone. After that, click on the program information, then click on the build number 7 times. Click here on the build number 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can see, you are a developer now. If we do the man, we will go back. You will find that the developer options have been successfully added here and have been activated. Now we enter it and use features as we want. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, or any suggestions, write it in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.